My name's Keith Peterson. I work for Rueter's, and we're at our Rueter's location in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Rueter's is a company that started in 1951, and then in the early 2000s started in the construction equipment business, and in 2004 we took on the Hyundai dealership. Rueter's excels with the feedlot business because cattle feeders take a lot of pride in what they're doing. You know, people see big feedlots and a lot of cattle and stuff. They want to bring a great product to the end user, just like Hyundai does and like Rueter's do. So we're interested in what's going on in their lives and like to be able to help them evolve.
We can't afford to work with somebody that can't provide those things that keep us going, and we've been very impressed and I think fortunate to have the reliability of the Hyundai machine, and then also the support and service we get from Rueter's. I mean, that's just been very critical, and so we've gotten along very well, and that speaks to the service that they're able to supply us.
Rueter's is crucial to our everyday success. Without them being willing to negotiate affordable prices, have extremely reliable, good service. Anytime we have a question, whether it be one of the owners themselves or managers, or if it's a service tech, they answer every single time. There's never any second guesses, are these people going to call me back? It goes beyond business, it's friendships, it's partnerships. That's really what makes this thing run, and that's essential to our operation.
You really have to have a dealer that can be there when you need them, because at this day and age you really don't have any downtime. You have to have something that you feel good about when you buy and know it's gonna get the job done at the most efficient way you can. So it's good to have dealers, representatives that recognize your needs and that are willing to work with you to make your place successful.
Their staff there at the Council Bluffs is the dealership that we deal with. JJ will run parts to me if we're short, if we're servicing something and we realize we're short on something. He'll bring things forward to me. He was trying to talk me into this loader here for the better part of a year, and finally one day he said, just stop and look at it. And I'll be honest with you, when I stopped and got out of the pickup and walked towards it, I thought, oh my gosh, that thing's big. And then when we put it to work, it's upheld everything that we thought it could. In fact, it's exceeded a lot of things.
We haven't made a success of this for 25 years. That doesn't happen by accident, and that doesn't happen by not taking care of the customer. Rueter's, as a company, we're committed to the Hyundai brand because the Hyundai brand is committed to us as well. When you can sit down and talk to a company and figure out how we're going to help the customer, how we're going to make it work for everybody, that's the kind of company Hyundai is, and I am proud to have been involved with them for so many years.